Welcome. On this video, I would be showing you how to add a subscribe button to your channel just like this one. So make sure to watch the video to the end to get all the details. To get started, go on to YouTube and search for subscribe buttons in green screen. When you find the one you like, download it to your phone's gallery. Now, the next step is to edit your photo into a circular collage like this one. And to do this, I would be using the InShot app. The next step is to go to your video editing software to edit the subscribe button. Now, you would need to cut out the beginning part and the ending part where the button goes up and down. This is very important in order for you to be able to add your photo. Scroll down to cropping, then choose the circular shape. Now, gently place your photo in its space. Now, add your name. Now, go on to export the video. Now, scroll down to the chroma key and then turn it on.